What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff coming back with you with another video. I'm coming with you today putting the NAVAC 4CFM back into test again. So today what I'll be doing is I'll be pulling a vacuum. This unit that I'm going to be pulling a vacuum on is a smaller commercial unit. It's a, what's the tonnage on this thing? 25 ton unit. I'm only pulling out of one circuit. That particular circuit holds 11 pounds. So I already did the leak check on it and repairs and everything. So now I'm going to pull the vacuum and put this little NAVAC 4CFM in the test. So today I'll be using, instead of using the True Blue hoses like I used last time, today I'll be using the JB Velocity, the Rapid Evacuation Kit. So I'll be using that. I'll be using the Yellow Jacket, Superevac Manifold to connect those 2 3/8 ends that's connecting to the quarter ends on the unit itself. And I've already pulled out the Schraders. And so let's put this puppy today. The way I want to see how it handles this particular unit. I have both my batteries charged, so we'll see how long the battery lasts yet again. And then actually once that battery drains and I switch it out, I'm going to try to put another timer on too, to see how long the battery takes to charge, so to see if there's any difference than what the manufacturer said from what I experienced before. And on the vacuum I'll be using what the JB DV41. So let's get started. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the Micron gauge to the suction line, shed some light on it so you could possibly see what I'm doing here. If I'm at a good angle, here we go, let's see. All right. I'm going to turn the Micron gauge on, and I'm going to go ahead and put the battery on the NAVAC 4CFM. I'm going to turn it on. All right, now I'm going to start my timer. All right, let's let it pull for a second with these closed. Open it up. Hear it ramping up. I'm gonna open her up. I'm gonna open this ballast up on the side here. All right, there we go. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. You hear the difference when I open it up? All right, so like I said before, right now we're pulling using the JB Evacuation Kit, and this particular kit has a 1/4 inch on one side and 3/8 on the other, and then I have this T here, this Yellow Jacket T, to connect the two. So right now I've used True Blue hoses. Now I'm using the JB. I've used the JB on smaller applications, but I just kind of want to put the two together and see what it's going to do and see how it's going to pull. Remember I said earlier that this unit is a 25 ton, and this particular circuit that I'm pulling for holds 11 pounds of refrigerant, you know. So all right, so let's see what our Micron gauge is doing here. Let me light up the situation so you can see. All right, so it hasn't started quite pulling yet. Okay, YouTube, so I am back, and it's been 29 minutes, 7,300 Micron. Right now it's been 30 minutes, and the battery alarm is going off, the 5-minute alarm. So it's about to cut off in a minute, and it's only been 30 minutes. So we know the battery only lasted 30 minutes. So I'm gonna take this battery off. Let me pause this stopwatch, turn this unit back on. All right, and we're gonna clear it, and we're gonna start again. Let's reset and start afresh and see how long this battery lasts. Now we're gonna put this other battery here to test, see how long it takes to charge. So let's find my stopwatch. Here we go. All right, so as you can see, it's indicating that the red and the blank, the indicator that's not lit up right here indicates charging less than 80%. Let's let it charge and see how long it takes to actually complete the charge on this thing. All right, we're gonna let the timer keep going. I used the first battery and it lasted 30 minutes and it pulled down to the first one pulled down to like what, 7,000 microns or something like that. Now we're just below 6,000 microns with the second battery running at 3 minutes and 26 seconds. I mean, this is a excellent pump, guys. Only 4 CFMs. I mean, but it does the job. Now keep in mind, you have to have a spare battery, you know. So overall, do I recommend this pump? Absolutely. I'm gonna do a full review on it once I finish my continued testing, so I have all the information for you guys. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause this video and I'll come back to check on the battery. I come check up on this battery, how long this one's lasting, and then how long it actually takes to recharge. I'll be right back, YouTube family. So now what we're standing at is, if you look, it's been on the second battery, it's been 19 minutes so far and 35 seconds on the second battery, and the unit is 4,579 microns, 78, steadily dropping, guys. And it's been 20 minutes on the second battery, so total it's been 50 minutes and 24 seconds. So 50 minutes brought this this circuit down that holds 11 pounds of refrigerant down to 4,500 microns. I mean, that's impressive. You know, I have other work to do, so I got to get this done. So I'm going to hook it up to my regular pump here after this battery is extinguished and show you, you know, how long this actual battery lasted. See if it's the same as the other battery. And then the other battery is charging at the moment. So let's go check on it. All right, it's still charging. I like the NAVAC 4CFM pump a lot, guys. I mean, it's great for residential applications and a light commercial, but I wanted to test it in real life application, not in a testing lab. I want to see the true and the real and give you the true and the real. So let's look and see where we stand. So far we're at 24 minutes. As far as microns are concerned, we're down to 3,780. It's dropping so fast, guys. I can't keep up with it. You know, I can't. So it's going fast. So overall, total, we've been pulling a vacuum here. I've been pulling a vacuum on this unit for, let's see here, 30 minutes on the first battery, 25 on the second, 55 minutes so far. I've been pulling the vacuum on this unit, and it's down to 3,700 microns. For a unit this size, that's impressive. 30 minutes and 43 seconds, 3,000 microns, 2,909, and it's dropping, guys. Look at that. That's impressive, man. That is impressive. This little 4CFM pump can handle the business. The proof is in the pudding. You're seeing it for yourself. Now, if I had this hooked up to a residential unit, as I would have been done 30 minutes, 45 minutes max with the same application. So I'll be back when it gives me the 5-minute warning and let you check it out. Okay, YouTube family, I am back. It's been 38 minutes, and we have 2,164, 63, and well, actually, it's been originally. Remember, it was 30 minutes on the first battery. The second battery is about to go out. You hear it beeping? The intervals will pick up here soon. So this battery has lasted so far 39 minutes. Well, it's still going. I'm gonna wait till it stops. First battery, I got 30 minutes out of it. This battery looks like I might get close to 45 minutes out of it. Now that's consistent with when I first purchased this battery. It's this vacuum pump. This is the battery that came with it. All right, and we're down to 1,930 microns. All right, 42. Let me close this off here. But the battery lasted, guys. The second battery lasted 42 minutes, 27 seconds. So the first battery lasted 30 minutes. The second battery lasted 42 minutes and 27 seconds. It would be nice if it lasted an hour. You know, the batteries lasted at least that. But it is what it is. But overall, I do like the NAVAC 4CFM pump. I will be using it more in residential and light commercial versus heavy commercial use that I do a lot of work on. So now I'll be back. I'm gonna see how long it takes to charge this battery that's over there. So far it's been almost an hour. So I will be back with a time check on this battery when it actually finishes. Okay, YouTube, so it took exactly 1 hour and 32 minutes to charge this battery. So for the battery for the NAVAC 4CFM, it takes anywhere, as far as the first battery I used, it took 30 minutes to discharge, and that's this battery. And this same battery that took 30 minutes to discharge took an hour and 32 minutes to charge back up. So so understand that. Now I'm going to charge the other battery that lasted for 40 plus minutes. But I want to thank you for taking the time to check out the video. Hit that like button, subscribe. See you soon.